everyone, this is Go Yang. Thanks for joining me, and today I'm going to be showing you the way that I make the traditional Hmong purple hat for baby girls. So this is just a traditional purple hat with a black and white crisscross in the front. And this is just a method that I have found that works for me when I make hats for my baby girl. And it's just through YouTube researching and asking ladies at the Hmong store how they make their hats. So this video is going to come to you in a 5-part series. So the first part in this video, I'm going to be going over the material that I've used, where I got it from. The second part will be cutting up of the foam, so the main structure of the hat, and then covering it with the black fabric, and then putting it all together and making it start to look like a real hat. And then the last part, putting on the purple fabric and the black and white stripe. So come along with me as I share with you my method of doing this. And if you have any positive comments or constructive criticism, please feel free to share. Put it in the bottom section, and I'll look forward to sharing my method with you. Thanks so much. So this project does not require a sewing machine. Everything is done by hand with needle and thread. And here is needle and thread. So I actually just recently got this huge black spool, and I got this from the Vietnamese fabric store here in Sacramento, California. A huge spool of black. I know some people like to use purple thread because of the purple fabric, but I found that using the black, it's so dark and your stitching is so minuscule that you really can't see the black on the purple. And so that you don't have to feel obligated to go out and buy purple thread if you already have some black on hand. And if you have to go out and buy thread anyway, it'll be nice to have black because it goes with anything. But by all means, it's totally up to you. And then just some regular garment measuring tape. And then I got this foam from Joann's, and I also got the measuring tape from Joann's as well. But I have the 1
So I actually meant to say
foam,
1/2 inch there.
It would be nice
So it's a
to
1/2
have
inch
it
foam.
in black, but it's fine. It's just what the store has. And then we have black fabric that covers the green foam, and I also got this from Joann's. It's just regular like black cotton fabric. Then we have the purple fabric from the Hmong store. So they come in one bundle. One bundle is one long strand of 18 feet, so approximately 6 yards, and they come with 4 corners of that bleaching corner. So it has that white bleaching effect, as you can see there. And one of these corners is more than enough for one small baby girl hat. So this would ultimately be 4 hats, if you will. But honestly, with the styles nowadays, you could really use this purple fabric for the middle head section of the hat. At the Hmong store, the ladies called the white portion the eye of the hat. So they really don't even do the eye of the hat anymore in the modern hat styles. You really could cover it with just the purple, since this is more than enough purple, and use jewels or even a different other lighter color for the head portion of the hat. And then of course the black and white stripe. I purchased this from the Hmong store, but I'm pretty sure it's a pretty standard, maybe standard item. So I don't know if they actually sell this at the American store, but I did purchase this at the Hmong store. And I purchased them at Vang Fashion, which is located in Sacramento, California. Such a great place. Check it out if you're in the area. And so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 pieces of material for multiple hats, but they're the things that I use to create the hat. So thanks for joining me, and come along with me in the next portions of this series, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye. No sewing machine. Oh, you want a toy? Okay. Want a toy?